class, to our kcse revision part 2. Marita James, the Girls Boys National School. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. You will get notified once I upload a new video. We are on a revised kcse revision on Intergers, that is Form1work. Use kcse made familiar. Then you do all the post progression from this book. You will be able to do well in mathematics. Then we are advising the kcse candidate of 2024 to do a lot of revision, go to Form1 work, Form2, do whatever you can be able to do. And this is the time the prophets are now coming to you. The prophets are raising up to tell you what comes in an exam and what is not coming in an exam. Avoid such kind of prophets. There is nobody who knows what is there in the examination except NEC. So avoid such kind of people. I know that some kind of Jesus will come in the form of prophesying what will be there in an examination. Even the Jesus from Western Kenya, some of them will come to you to tell you what is there in the exam, what is not there in the exam. In mathematics, avoid what is we call prediction. So don't predict anything in mathematics, just do a lot of revision, and then you will be able to do well in maths. And I'm sorry to say that those people who are not doing, who have never been doing well in maths, they are not interested with mathematics. Don't wait the miracles to happen for you to pass an exam. Don't wait for Jesus to come from heaven and to do the exam for you. Just revise. 1 minute will save you. So if you take your time, start from Form1 work, Form2, Form3, you will be able to do well in your maths examination. So we have expressed 10,500 in terms of prime factors. A very simple question, integers for 1. So express this one you express this one in terms of our prime factors. So we have this is 10,500 in terms of our prime factors. So you start with the list number. The list number here is 2. It can divide this one to be 5,250, 5,200, 5,250. Then also we have 2, which can divide this one up to 2,625. So because of this 5 now, 2 will not be divided here. Now we move to the next number. Our next number here is 3, which can divide this one to be 875. Then we have 5. We can divide this one as 175. And then we have 5, which can divide this one at 5 times. So we have from 35. Then the next number is 7. It is 5. We have 35, which can divide this one to 7 times. So, in terms of our prime factors, 10,500 can be 2 times 2. So we have this is 2 squared times 3 times 5 raised to the power 3. So it is 5. So we have this is 5 raised to the 3 because we have 5, 5, 5, and then times 7. So that is the prime factors of 10,500. So express that one in terms of our prime factors. So you have 2 raised to the power 2. We have 2 raised to the power 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 5 raised to the power 3. And then we have 7. And next here, determine the smallest positive number, P such that 10500 is a perfect cube. So what do you do here? You just say that P times 10500, this one here, is equivalent to P. The perfect cube, we have 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3 to make it a perfect cube times 5 raised to power 3 times 7 raised to power 3. So we have this as a perfect cube, a perfect cube. So from here, smallest value the smallest value, it is 2 times, then we have 3 squared times, then we have 7 squared, and this one is equivalent to the 882. So this is the smallest positive number P, such that this 10500 is a perfect cube. 3 tests ring at intervals of 9 minutes, 15 minutes, and 21 minutes respectively. The bells will ring next together at 11:00 p.m. Find the time the bells had last rang together. This question is testing the concept of LCM. So you start by finding the LCM of 9. So we find the LCM of 9, then we have LCM of 9, 15, and then we have 21. So the LCM, so we can have 9, we have 15, then we have that one as 21. We find the LCM of that. Can you be able to find the LCM? The LCM of that, these numbers here. So finding the LCM, we have 3, this one is 3, this is 5, this is 7. Then next we have it is 3, which is 1, 5, 7. Next we have 5, 1, 1, 7. And then lastly we have 7, which is 1, 1, and then 1. So the LCM here is 3 raised to power 2 times 5 times 7. So this one is giving us how many minutes? This one will give us 315 minutes. So this is 315 minutes. So you can convert this one into hours. You divide this 60, and therefore this one is equivalent to the 5 hours. 5 hours, and then we have 15 minutes. So find the time the bells that last run together. So they run together after before. That's when we have 5 hours 15 minutes. So if they ring together at 11:00 p.m., at what time had they run together? So you just take 11:00 p.m. You subtract 5 hours 15 minutes. So you have this is 11:00 p.m. You minus 5 hours, and then we have 15 minutes. So they run together at 5:45 p.m. So this one is 5:45 p.m. This is the time. The bells run as last run together. Concept of LCM, and then you learn the concept of the concept of the GCD. The number n is formed by writing all the prime numbers between 0 and 10. The prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Example, you can have 2, you have 3, then you have 5 and 7. So those are the numbers between 0 and 10 that can be divided by 1 and itself. So that number n is formed by writing all the prime numbers between 0 and 10. Between 0 and 10 in ascending order. So between 0 and 10 in ascending order. Another number n is formed by writing all the square numbers. Writing all the square numbers between 0 and 10 in ascending order. Square numbers between 0 and 10. These are the numbers that you will be able to find their square roots. Example, you have 1, then you have 4, and then you have 9. Those are the square numbers. So find m minus n. So let us have m first. So m is the numbers, the prime numbers. The prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7. And then n, it is the square numbers between 1 and 10. So this one is 1, 4, then we have 9. So if we write down the numbers in descending order, it will be 9. So we have this is 9, 4, 1. So we have now our n minus n will be, it is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 9, 4, 1. And this one will be equivalent to be 14, 16. So we have this is 1416. Then we are supposed to express m minus n as a product of the prime factors. So as a product of the product of the prime factors, we can be able to express this 1416 as a product of the prime factors. So we have this is 1416. So we have this is 2, which is 708. Then we have 2. This 2 will divide this one into 354. So this is 354. And then of course we have, you can have 3. 3 can divide this number. You can have 3 here. So 3 can divide this number up to 59. So we have these 2 can, we have also 2 can divide this number as 177. Then we have 3, which is dividing this one as 59. So as a product of the prime factors will be, it is 2 raised to 2. Then we have 2 raised to 3. So we have 2 raised to 3. Then we have times 3 times 59. So that is, we have expressed 1416 as a product of these prime factors. We have to head cows, sheep, and goats in his farm. The number of cows was 32, and the number of sheep was 12 times the number of cows. Understand this part. So this one was 12, the number of sheep was 12 times the number of cows. The number of goats was 1344 more than the number of sheep. If we solve 3 over 4, if we solve 3 over 4 of the goats, find the number of goats that remained. So starting by getting the cows was 32. The cows was 32. The number of sheep were 12 times the number of cows. So it means we have sheep. So you can have sheep, which is equals to be, this is 32 times 12. Because we have this is 12 times. And this one will be equivalent to be 384 sheep. Then from here we have been told that the number of goats were 1344. Were 1344 than the number of sheep. So we have to get goats, which equals to be, it is now 384 plus this one was 1344, and this one is giving us 1728 goats. So if he sold 3 or 4 of the goats, find the number of goats that remains. So the number of goats remains. So we have goats remains is 3 all over 4 times 1728, and the number of goats remains was equivalent to the 432. So these are the number of goats that remains. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch and share.